Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope all is well on your sides and you are keeping safe in this pandemic situation. Name of my game is I Can Jog in Wall Forest and it is just like jogging as well. So these are going to be the points I'm going to discuss with everyone today. Basically, I always wanted to have something that could give the idea of recalling all the spelling patterns, because at this age when they are going to the spelling patterns advanced level, they need to have something and they also want to enjoy it. So I have tried to keep it as close to the theme, Jollyphonic theme, as possible. Basically, it's a board game, and you need some counters, and you can also use some candies for the counters. You need to roll the dice, and tree patterns are very much like the wall alternative poster of Jollyphonics program. So if you are using the items and things in the school, you can use them as well. So you have a printable and it tells you about all the rules, and you can use the answer sheet. And even if you are not using it, you can use it in the Zoom sessions as well. When you roll the dice, your counter starts moving, but you have to tell the words in just 1 minute. This restriction can be removed as well, but it gives the idea of time management, and it comes with an answer sheet as well. So when you have got the answer sheet in front of you and you are referring to it after the session, after the game, then gradually you start building your vocabulary and just keep on playing with your teachers. You can achieve many milestones with this game. You can have different variations. Um, you can have lots of different alternative spellings as well, and you can pair up the older children with the younger ones as well. This game was used in some schools, academies, was sent to some parents and trainers as well. It was field tested, and I have got many reviews on it. And there was some suggestions by the teachers and trainers. A teacher used just the black and white print for this purpose, and she started playing with her students. She wanted to give me this idea that I should have more time, not the 1 minute. But I think that it's up to the teachers to decide. They can have more time as well. But you see that when they have got just 1 minute, they are trying to think very quickly. So you can use it with the deck of cards. You can distribute the cards, and Jollyphonics flashcards can be used for this purpose. And they can also consult their cards time to time while playing the board game. You can also use some actions designed by Quran, actions of all alternative spellings, and these letters and sound strips can be used as well along with this board game. Well, these are some reviews by some parents, trainers, and some teachers. And I would like to have suggestions from you all. Your suggestions are welcome. If you have got any questions, you can contact me or you can email me. Thank you, Yvonne, and everyone in the team for organizing this. It was a wonderful opportunity for everyone. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye.